Can I get up close of him?
This is one of our Sarama roosters. Okay.
Take a picture.
We'll do this.
Oh, the rooster came in.
Okay. Then I just gotta get that.
I
one,
can't.
but I want to get this black one first because she's naughty. Oh. Here. Okay. Here she is. Sweet girl.
There's another one.
Thanks, June.
I scared him in.
Come here.
I catched this one.
Claws are very sharp.
Yep.
Gentle.
See?
Hey, Jordan, you gotta gently set him down on the shelf, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's, do they need food or water? Is their water dirty?
Yeah, it's a little bit dirty.
All right, so we can rinse that out and give him fresh water.
Yes.
Just let him eat for a second.
No.
It's gonna spill a little bit. It was one of that. It's that black rooster.
What black rooster?
It's that black and white one.
Yeah.
It's okay, everyone.
It's a cool.
So you empty out the dirty water.
Yeah.
You're sitting in water.
Boo. Stop. Gotta get these out of the way. And now, wait for that.
So rinse out that bottom piece. Get that clean.
Is chick water into their cage without letting them out.
Yay, water. I can walk in water. My feet so warm. And food. Keep them fit as well.
Yeah, I'm just gonna eat. Okay. Should I grab the food?
This is a
Food
big
right now?
rock.
Shake it up. Do they have some in there?
Let me check. They it's probably they need to be filled up. This is how much that they have
Okay.
left. Alright. Now time for food. Hi, Grumpy.
Let's just go this way to the garage.
Okay.
Carson's trying to rest in there. It's a cold front coming in. Yeah.
At last. Cold front. Should I think I should dump that into the
No, we don't need to dump it. Just go fill it up. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hi, Pippi.
Where's Pippi?
I don't actually know, but I heard her.
Pippi.
Okay. Just the food.
These other chickens want the food.
They just continue following me.
Mm-hmm.
If I have food, that's the
Yep.
only annoying thing.
Even though
about
they
these
already have
chickens.
food.
Excuse me, everyone.
They should move when you put it in there. Just slightly scooch it over. Alright.
I try and get as far as possible so that hens can't really try and get to it, but they're just gonna stick their head through and get it.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
goodbye, sir. Almost.